All right, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Tom here again. So we completed that roof over there. Cambridge shingles, new flashing. We did the flat roof as well. Turned out great. There's the homeowner there. And this is our latest project right here. This is an Amourshake shingle. Really nice. Very fancy. And this is turning out amazing as well. So this is a cedar conversion. There was cedar shake on here. So we had to remove the cedar. As you can see down there, we already removed this morning. And then we sheet it with plywood, put our underlay down, and then we shingle the roof. So everything is turning out just amazing here. Homeowner's very happy with the progress so far. There's John down there fighting with a tangled cord. So this is the old roof here. See, it's wood shingles, cedar shake. And remove that, pull off all the underlay, and bang in the nails, sheet the roof, put the underlay down, and then shingle it with Amourshake 50-year shingles. And we're going to be using HP cap as well, so high profile cap. As you can see there, it's nice and thick. It's a very well built shingle cap, and it gives it a nice effect, just like the cedar cap there. Kind of gives it a cedar shake feel. So if you're in the Delta BC area and you need an estimate, you can visit us at armyroofing.com. Fill out a contact form and we'll get back to you. Schedule a free estimate, or you can call us at 778-686-7663. Bye for now.